Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to review the Huda Beauty Mercury, why is this so hard to say? Mercury Retrograde palette. So this came out recently. I'm looking on Sephora and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. It retails for $67. Her palettes usually run that expensive from what I can see. I've never tried any of her palettes before. I've never really tried any of their products. So this is really the first palette I've ever tried from her. I have tried the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. And I like that one a lot. It's just, it can look real cakey really fast. So you have to just be careful with that one. But otherwise it's good. It's great coverage and everything like that. Open her up and this is what it looks like. The mirror, it goes all the way back. So that way, I don't really like a lot of palettes where they stop like right here and you can't bend them back or anything. I like it so they can just lay flat. Okay, I'm sorry for blinding you so much. So this is the beautiful palette in all its glory. Oh my gosh, it is. Here, let me see. There we go. What drew me to this palette was these shades here. These like metallic foil or like glittery type shades. That's what made me get this. And just the color scheme is just absolutely gorgeous. So I bit the bullet and I got it. So I like the packaging and everything. I think that is so beautiful. I love how it just, you turn it and it's like this holographic type on the front. It is so pretty. So you get 18 shades here. The Mercury Retrograde palette, I feel like I sound funny every time I say that. The Mercury Retrograde palette features a cosmic blend of 18 shades and textures, balancing cool and warm tones to deliver infinite possibilities. This palette is filled with easy-to-use combinations of dusty coppers, rosy pinks, and golden taupe with pops of purple and blue. It features 9 buttery mattes, 6 high-shine creamy metallics, 1 glitter powder charged with silver sparkles, which, yes, I'm all about sparkle, and 2 sheer multi-reflective shadows for an out-of-this-world glow. I'm not sure if this is limited edition or not, and on this it says it can last 24 months. Yeah, I like the mirror. I think that's a really good size mirror. Wow, I just feel like I'm blinding you with even showing it. Even if I do this, look at, oh, it's like, get your sunglasses on. I'm sorry. It says Huda Beauty here on it. And then you've got the fabulous goodness, oh my goodness, like beautiful shades. I did swatch a few because, I mean, I'm human and I see a pretty palette. It's like, I need to touch you. Let me just see how it is. Let me see how pigmented, how like perfect it is. So I'm in love with the, like, when I swatch. I haven't tried it on my eyes yet. I waited for this video. So let's dive right into the swatches, shall we? So I'm just gonna go row by row like that. So I did the first 4 shades. Oh my god, look at that one up there. That is like mirror shine, like that's a mirror. Like you could look at yourself and be like, okay, I look good today. So that's really, really nice. And then this one right here, this is like, oh yeah, like I want to use that so bad. So, but here's the first 4. So oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Gosh damn. And these two are like calling me. It is Cosmic, Utopia, Ultraviolet, and Nebula. I think this is the one with like the glitter, the silver glitters in it. Okay, so these are the last 2 in that row. This one is Mercury, and this one is Haze. So those are those 2 right there. I'm sorry if you hear anything. That's my washing machine, though. So that one's, oh, yeah. Mercury and Haze. Oh gosh. Those are stunning. I freaking love those. Look at that pigmentation. Oh man. I'm getting so excited. And we're only on the first row. The mattes, you can see it's kind of like, you know, kick up comes up. So I'm interested to see how it's going to be with the brush, if it's just a finger. So for the first 4 shades of the palette, you've got Off Balance, Galaxy, Libra, and Crash. I'm drawn to like metallics, foiled metallics, like high shine, glitter. That's just who I am. That's just what I'm drawn to. So when I see it in a palette, that's where my eyes go first. I mean, mattes, I'm like, okay, because it's all about that. Like, yeah, you got mattes in your, you know, crease and whatnot, but metallics and foiled and glitters are what's gonna make the eye look awesome, in my opinion. But you know, oh, whoa, honey, what the hell? Oh, girl. These are the last 2 in the second row. You've got Momentum and Super Moon. Love it. To the last row. Okay, so here are the first 4. You've got Vortex, Hot Mess, Supernova, and Karma, the pinky. Oh my god, why did that do that? Like, let's see if I can do it. Just the pinky. Yeah, I did it. Let me see. I can't. Okay. So there's no, these are, so that's those right there. So these are the last 2 in the palettes. The first one is Gold Glitch, and the second one is Frazzled. Like, look at that shine, baby. If my veins, if I could see what it would look like in there, it would be high shine glitter pigment, babe. Like, oh man, that would be me. I'm gonna be doing the eye look. Now, I really want to work with like this blue and this dark blue. Heck, maybe even this. I really want to do a halo eye today. I haven't done one in a minute, so I want to do one today because I feel like I do kind of like the same one in the last few videos. It's just like outer corner smoky and then the shiny stuff on the inner part here. So we're gonna do a halo eye today. So let's just get started. Finally got myself a color switch on Amazon because I was using my pants and stuff to wipe off the old eyeshadow. I'm a mess sometimes. I think I'm gonna go in with, Haze right here in my crease. There is a lot of kick up in the pan when you dip your brush. Oh, hold on, if I can get a good, see it. I'm doing it gently. There is some kick up right there. And to let you know, in case that does bother you, that's what's gonna happen. Whoa. When I tapped it, it took a lot of the pigment off. All right. So I'm not really a big fan of this blue shade. It just looks more pigmented in the pan than it does on my eyes. Like, I just feel like It's a little patchy, and it's just, it doesn't go on as pigmented as you would think. So that one is just not working for me right now. Libra, this shade right here. I'm going to use Hot Mess right here. Go into Vortex and deepen it up even more. I notice when I'm trying to blend out the edges and everything, it's taking away that matte shade I just put down. And I don't like that. I experienced that with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina No. 2 palette. That was happening too with all the shades. Yeah, even when I try to go over with another brush on that area, it's just dusting away. It's not staying or sticking. I mean, maybe you might need like a sticky base or something, like maybe just put concealer or the P. Louise base on. Don't set it or anything and then go in. Maybe that might work better, but because I didn't do that today. I just did my foundation and everything, and then I powdered, obviously, my eyes and everything, so maybe there's just not enough to stick. But I'm having to just go back in again. And that I'm not a fan of. Not at all. It's so freaking patchy, man. Oh. Right. So that's what this is looking like right now. Not loving it, but I think I'm really here for these metallic and shimmers and glitter shades. I have to go into, actually, I think I'm gonna put Cosmic down first, and then I'm gonna go on top of it with Nebula. Oh, honey. That is freaking stunning. I am getting fallout from that shade, the Nebula shade. That shade, that Nebula shade, is one gorgeous shade. So that's what it's looking like. If you can see the patchiness over here, over there, from the matte shades in here. Look at that outer corner. Oh gosh. That is bald as a billiard ball right there. These matte shades are just not giving me life. They're not good. But the shimmer, on the other hand, yeah, I can deal with that all day long. And I'm gonna go put on the rest of my eye makeup, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with my eyelashes and liquid liner and mascara all on. This eyelash is messing with me. So this is the finished look. Don't excuse that. I accidentally got some eyelash glue up there, so that was a bad one. But Yeah, so this is the look. I freaking love the shade Nebula on my, why can't I talk? On the center of my lids. I freaking love that. I'm obsessed with that. I can't stop looking at it. All right, final thoughts. Is this worth $67? I would say no, because the mattes in here did not perform great at all for me. Maybe I should try it with a sticky base next time. I'm not sure, but it should not be giving me patchiness and blotchiness on my eyes. Like, it should be pigmented, and you know, you don't put a shade on and then put a different one on top or next to it and then it disappears. Like, no, that's not worth $67 in my opinion. I just can't with the mattes. I mean, I'll give it another chance, the mattes, just to see, you know, if maybe a sticky base will work. But the shimmers and glitters and everything in here, yes, babe. Those are worth $67. But you don't want to just buy the palette for those shades. You know, it doesn't really make it worth it. I don't think it's worth the $67, but if you want to try it, go for it. I'm going to give it another go and see if the sticky base would be better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a fun time testing that out. I always have a fun time testing out makeup products and telling you my thoughts and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please subscribe and like and share my videos. If you know another makeup lover out there who loves to watch makeup videos, you know, share my videos. That would be amazing. And I thank you all who subscribe and comment on my videos. It means a lot to me. It really does. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. No, always. This always happens. So yeah, you get it's six. This is. Yeah, I like the way. I like the plastic on the outside. What? Dang it. So that's the con about this palette. I can't. I think it all depends on. Oh my god, how the heck did I get? Is that mascara or is it eyelash glue? Oh my god. That's gotta be eyelash glue or something. Yeah, I don't know how it got on my freaking hands.